sitting or lying in a comfortable position, and taking some slow, deep breaths. Becoming present and still. Softening into your body and releasing any tightness that you may be holding onto. Let's complete a few rounds of box breathing. As you complete these breaths, you may like to visualize that you're drawing a square or a box in your mind. As you breathe in for the count of 5, see the left wall going from the bottom to the top. As you hold at the top of the breath for 5, see the top of the square go across from the left to the right. As you exhale for 5 counts, see the wall of the square traveling down. And as you hold at the bottom of the exhale for 5, see the box completed as the line flows across the bottom of the box and joins onto the starting point before beginning again. Following your breath now. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Allowing your breath to resume its normal natural rhythm. And now imagining that inside your mind is a powerful magnet that draws back any thoughts, any energy, or any parts of you that are entwined with someone else or something else. Disentangling those thoughts, disentangling all parts of yourself that are not yet here in this present moment, and calling them back. Seeing or feeling that magnet pulling all parts of you back into yourself. Feeling complete, feeling whole, knowing that the entirety of your being is here in this moment. From this place of completeness, knowing that right now you are your strongest and most generous self. This is the best space from which to give to others. Seeing now a thin beam of white light flowing into the top of your head. This light is being sent to you from the highest of realms, and its only intention is to heal whatever it touches, sending that light around your head, face, neck and shoulders. Feeling the power of healing that this light offers you. Sending the light down both of your arms into your hands. Now expanding the light throughout your torso. See it swirling around and surrounding your organs, cells, and internal systems with pure healing light. Sending the light through your hips and down your legs into your feet. Allowing your body to be completely filled up with this healing light, feeling energized and full of life. Taking as much of this healing light as you need to repair and restore any parts of your body that need it. Seeing that light filling up your body until you have all that you need. This white light continues to flow to you from above. And now it's time to share this transformative light with the world. Opening up your heart and allowing the light to flow into you from the source above and flow out of you from your heart. First, bringing to mind a person, place, or situation you know of that is in need of some additional healing. Sending love and light directly from your heart to that person or place that needs it. Seeing the light streaming down from above you, into you, and then flowing out from your heart, traveling exactly where it needs to go. And as the light arrives at its destination, seeing it being absorbed into the person or place who needs it, and continuing to send light to them until they have all that they need. There is a constant supply of light from the source above you. It can never be depleted. So the more you send, the more is sent to you, speeding up the rate that you are broadcasting light out into the world now, expanding your focus to slowly encompass the entire world. Sending that light around every country and continent, over every mountain and ocean, until every person around the globe has been touched by this transformative and powerful healing light. No one is excluded from this loving light. It graces every soul and heals every body. As the entire world begins to fill up with this bright white light, observing a collective healing taking place before your eyes. Pain is released, illnesses recover, conflicts are resolved, hearts are restored to love, and all people in all places are surrounded by peace. bringing your consciousness back into your body now, staying connected to that stream of healing light, knowing that you can access it whenever you need, and remembering that you can heal the world. You can raise the vibration of the earth, and your intention is felt by all of humanity. Connecting into your breath now, feeling into your body and coming back into yourself, opening your eyes and returning to your day.